Love tech and gadgets? Then you'll want to have a look at the best tech inventions of 2022. These products take your tech above and beyond. Each year amazes us with its new tech developments, and 2022 is no different. Whether it's a phone with illuminating rear strips or a super cool update to popular Sony headphones, the best tech gadgets of 2022 take innovation to the next level. In this video, we will cover the best tech inventions and gadgets of 2022. But before moving forward, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to ensure that you do not miss any updates. So, let's get into it. From Nikola Tesla to Alexander Graham Bell and George Washington Carver, some of our favorite historical figures are inventors. The love of invention also bleeds into our stories, resulting in characters like Doc Brown, Wayne Szalinski, and Tony Stark. Inventors participate and build upon scientific advances, putting new knowledge to practical use. The problems people are facing gives inventors the idea of making useful gadgets. So here is the list of some of the best tech gadgets and innovation of 2022. 1. Google Pixel 6a. Yes, the Google Pixel has always been renowned for its camera, but it hasn't always been capable of actual magic. Step forward the Pixel 6a, a new handset that actually allows you to disappear photobombers, background bozos, and just about anything that might threaten your perfectly curated vibe through its magic eraser and camouflage tools. The 6a, which is the budget version of the brand's Pixel 6 and 6 Pro models, boasts plenty of sizable upgrades and new features elsewhere too, from adaptable wallpapers to improved battery life. If you're after a smartphone for under €400, then this is the top of the pack. 2. An AI that judges your face. Facial recognition software isn't new, but it is gaining new abilities. You likely have some version of it on your phone right now. We count on those programs to recognize us and grant access to our technology when we need it. We also count on them not to judge us for our appearance, even on our worst days. In the future, however, all of that could change because of a new advancement in facial recognition. Researchers taught an AI not only to recognize facial features, but to make snap judgments about a person's appearance. While being judged by a machine might hurt, it has important implications about the ways humans judge one another. According to a research paper published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, the first impressions we form upon meeting a new person influence decisions we make about them, including decisions about hiring and sentencing. 3. Nothing Phone 1. Fashion has been dragged kicking and screaming to the early 2000s, so it was only a matter of time before the tech world followed suit. Reminiscent of the translucent case designs of third-party N64 controllers and iMac G3s, tech brand Nothing's new mid-range smartphone lives up to its name. The USP being that it's a see-through device crafted with sturdy Gorilla Glass that allows you to look at the machine's inner workings. Over 9,000 LED lights, which the brand calls a glyph interface, communicate notifications, battery status, and incoming calls through a series of patterns, and everything is geared up to be as unobtrusive as possible. We're used to do-it-all smartphones that attempt to keep you scrolling, tapping, and consuming for as long as possible. But the Nothing Phone 1 aims to cultivate a more mindful approach to phone use and life in general. The display is vivid, the dual camera impressive, and the battery charge fast, while the Android interface is as cleanly designed as you'd expect. 4. DJI Mini 3 Pro Camera Drone. Look at the world a little closer with the DJI Mini 3 Pro Camera Drone. Weighing under 249 grams, it's super lightweight and portable, and, best of all, doesn't require registration in most countries. Plus, Its foldable design enables you to take it virtually everywhere with ease. Moreover, this DJI lightweight camera drone includes forward, backward, and downward vision sensors and can avoid obstacles in complicated environments. This portable camera drone also records at up to 4K or 60 FPS. And the 1x1.3-inch sensor features dual native ISO. Furthermore, it boasts an array of intelligent features to perfect your outcomes. In particular, tools like Focus Track, Master Shots, and Time-Lapse take your shoots to new heights. Finally, enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and up to 25 kilometers flight distance to cover your aerial photography needs. 5. Apple's Smart Water Bottle. From watches and phones to household appliances, everything is getting smarter. Now, thanks to Apple, that's also true of your water bottle. The Hydrate Spark Pro Smart Water Bottle, a mouthful, we know, takes all the guesswork out of tracking your water intake. The vacuum-insulated exterior should keep your liquids cold for up to a full day, and it has a host of other neat features. Apple's Smart Water Bottle integrates with your Apple Watch and Apple Health. It takes into account your daily steps and exercise to calculate how much water you need, per Apple. The LED puck at the bottom of the bottle lights up to remind you when it's time for a drink and tracks how many ounces or millimeters of water you drank throughout the day, using Bluetooth. You can also get a slightly less expensive version, without the insulation, in the form of the Hydrate Spark Pro Triton Plastic Sea Glass. If you've ever wanted a fancy way to micromanage your basic survival tasks, the Hydrate Spark Pro water bottle can't be beat. 6. Anker 3D Printer. A cursory look at Anker's website will reveal that the brand's primarily focused on charging solutions, from wireless chargers to portable charging blocks. Now, Anker is moving into a new area of engineering with the announcement of its first 3D printer, the Anker Make M5. 3D printers aren't exactly breaking news, but the Anker Make comes with a slate of impressive features poised to make a device a player among existing printers. If you've ever started a big print and then walked away, you've probably experienced the dismay of checking on your print only to find that it's come loose from the build plate or lost its sync, and now you're spitting filament all over the place. Not only have you wasted time, but you've also burned into your wallet, melting filament into an impressively recreated synthetic tumbleweed. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably also like our other videos. Also, leave a like and a comment, as that really helps us out. If you want us to make a video about the topics in which you're interested, write it in the comments. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. That's it for today. We'll be back soon with more exciting videos to help you learn more. For more fascinating videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button and share it with your buddies.